these nylon Prada bags will last you a lifetime. So get you one in one shape, and then once you learn that what I'm telling you is true, then go and buy all the other shapes. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got a big box from my good buddies over at Yull Luxury. Been working with them a very long time. They got a whole lot of good stuff. But before we get into that, if you want to get into contact with them, their information is going to be down in the description of this video. Also in the description is going to be my Discord info and my Instagram info. So if you have any issues, have any questions, you're after certain stuff, I can help you with that. That's why I make these videos, is so I can connect you to the people that I get all this stuff from. That way I can have all this stuff and still go do all the fun. I'm not trying to pick between the two. It's pretty tough out there right now. And that's another reason I wanted to make some videos, because everything on the internet is bad right now. Like, there is no good stuff on there. You got people getting kidnapped. You got people coming out in massive rings involving PDF files. You got all this money that's gone missing. It's like, dude, what the hell is even going on? But for the most part, I've tried to stay positive. Just got back from the beach. That was a nice little head clearing. But, you know, I wanted to pop in here and just make sure to tell you guys, you know, it's probably not as bad as it seems. Just kind of live your happy little life. Try not to build up too much stress. Make good decisions. Plan ahead. And typically things are going to be okay. Spend time with your family, you know, the small stuff. Everyone gets away from the small stuff. But let's grab this big box here. Big box, looking good. Got a heft to it. Gonna be Yull Shops, Yull Luxury. Like I said, I'm gonna put all their information down below. And I think there's gonna be some fun, kind of more warm weather stuff in here. But I guess we're not gonna know until we bust it open. Usually when these boxes are super stuffed like that, be pretty delicate about trying to go too deep, because I have accidentally punctured stuff before, and that wasn't very cool. All right, off the rip, Prada bag, and then we got, looks like some other small stuff in there. I'm just gonna save some room. I'm gonna drop that down there. Make sure we're looking good here. I have grown the hair out a little bit. You guys notice that? Kind of rocking a little bit of a fullet, not quite yet, but I've been rocking a hat a lot just to kind of let it grow out. And then if I go to, you know, a dinner, a fancy dinner or something, I'll kind of give it a little slick back. Let's bust this bad boy open. Huge Prada dust bag. Let's see if I can just clean sweep this down. All right. Okay, it is nylon. I was hoping it was nylon and not leather. But what we have here is almost like a briefcase styled laptop carrying case, but it's the Prada nylon. If you look right above my head here, I do have my little daily care Prada bag that I have had for over 5 years. These nylon Prada bags will last you a lifetime. So get you one in one shape, and then once you learn that what I'm telling you is true, then go and buy all the other shapes. This one is probably going to the girlfriend. I kind of handpicked one for her. She kind of told me what she wanted, so I hope she likes it. If not, I told her she could just beat me with it or something. But let's see what kind of pockets we're working with. I mean, check out the packaging too. You're getting pocket stuffed styrofoam to keep the shape, just like you'd get from any designer store. It has handle coverings, and then these are like the thick straps you'd find on a backpack. So, I mean, they're not going nowhere. And let's bust out, even the zippers are covered. Let's uncover one. Okay, it has leather covering on the zippers, so that's pretty nice. And then those almost look like stainless steel connecting it. Check out the zipper. Nice. It kind of has this open top as well, so you'll always be able to see kind of what's in the bag. And then it has a little tail that comes off about an extra, oh, I'd say that's probably 1.5 inches, 2 inches. And then it fully unzips. So once it's fully unzipped, you can open it. And what you're gonna find is the product ID card along with the little pocket top that goes, it's like a little extra bag. But if you've seen any Prada bags, they all come with like this little wallet, cell phone holder, I guess you'd call it, key holder. And that just attaches onto the bag. You're gonna get the full strap, so you can wear it like a full satchel if you would like to, or, you know, just carry it by the handle, depending how heavy it is or what occasion it is. And then on the inside, it's got a lot of tissue paper in here. Has these flaps, once it's unzipped, kind of just sit inside too, so you don't have to worry about them flipping up. That's really nice. And we're gonna have an open pocket on the front side, and then a big zip pocket on the back side. Looking really nice right there. Absolutely banger of a bag. It's like the perfect size, you know, and most people's laptops aren't gigantic anymore. They got like the 13 or 15 inch, so it just slides right into here. Man, I might have to get me one too. Feels good. And like I said, this nylon stuff is almost indestructible. Has one of the strap attachments here. And I don't know where you attach the other one. It's kind of weird. Maybe it's on the inside. Oh, it's on the inside. Okay. The other bag attachment is on the inside. So here and here. Very cool. Okay, I think that's enough with the bag. I think everyone gets the gist. I guess we can show off the logo real quick. Yeah, the nylon's so fire. Indestructible. Smooth bottom. And on to the next thing. Make sure to drop a like on the video. I appreciate it. And make sure when you reach out to me, if you message me on Instagram and for whatever reason it's been a few days and I haven't gotten back with you, go drop like a comment on a photo or follow my page, because then that'll give like a direct notification. Sometimes the messages get caught up. This is just gonna be some black aloe sweatpants. Little bit different of a material than the ones that we saw in the JK Fung video. This one's got more of like a wide taper at the bottom. Look like they're plenty long enough for my long legs. Aloe at the back, aloe on the left pocket. That looks to be where they're going with everything. And this just feels to be like it's about 100% cotton, just your typical. So once you wear them that first time and you're giving them that first wash, kind of pay attention to them when they're in the dryer. That's like my life with sweatpants. I'll finally find like a pair that's just right, and I'll be in a hurry and wash and dry them and then just never be able to wear them again. And then they become my girlfriends, like all my other sweatpants. Dior. Little zip bag. Let's see what we got here. Well, Houston, we got a problem. There's only one sandal. Oh, it's right there. Okay, so you get two of these Dior little dust bags. I actually just did a little bit of spring cleaning. I don't know if you can see right here, but there's about, 75 pairs worth of tissue paper from shoe boxes right there. And I just kept them because, like, whenever you do gifts or, you know, you're giving someone a gift in a bag, instead of going out and buying tissue paper every time, I can just use the shoebox paper. And then typically they'll know the gift is from me, because I do have some salesman friends, but I think I'm about the only guy that does shoes and clothes. But by selling shoes and clothes, I've also met just so many people in all different types and fields. I told that to a guy at a bar one night, and he thought it was unbelievable. He was like, it's just incredible how people make their living. Ooh, the ostrich. Oh, those are fire. Just in time for summer. And I got I have another CD pair that's very similar like this, but instead of ostrich, it's the alligator. But I'm up to like 2 or 3 pairs of the alligator style, so I thought it was maybe time to switch. And I think the ostrich was gonna be a good move. Oh my God, they're so comfy. They hug your foot just right. I wear a US 11, which is a EU 45. I ordered a EU 45, and guess what? They fit perfect. Absolutely perfect. And check out the packaging, like I say, just comes stuffed, so you don't have to worry about this getting all out of shape, bended and molded. It does have just the slightest little heel, if you can see. Other side, there we go. So it kind of has just this tiny little baby heel, and then on the flip side has that oblique Dior pattern like we've seen for many years now. Dior sandal right there. Made in Italy. Pumped for these, absolutely pumped. Hell yeah. Let's slide that bad boy on. How we doing here? How's everybody doing here? Let's adjust the hair and let's get back in there. Pair of sunglasses, it looks like. Put that over there. That is one thing why I've had to change the setup too. I did put another desk back into the sneaker room for my girlfriend, so I don't think this looks too bad. We just don't get, you know, the little TV behind me, but before too long, we're probably gonna have a bigger house, and then I'll get to remake the sneaker room, so that'll be fun. She's kind of like me. She's a clothes and shoes person, so now it's just like double up on everything. We bought a few of those rolling clothes racks from Amazon, so those have worked really, really well. Let me be careful here. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's like sticky plastic, that's why it's hard to tear. Adhesive. There we go. So this is a Jeff Robe channel first, I think. I don't think I've ever unboxed any Chanel glasses on my channel. And I'm sure you can guess who these are going to be for, but very nice. Comes with this sleek top, black top, and then white bottoms. Checking them out. Chanel case, looks to be leather and has a little diamond pattern on there. Very cool. Chanel's always been one of those, like even before I knew what designer stuff was, my mom always liked Chanel, so I kind of have a little special connection with the Chanel stuff. I have got her Chanel items, but I think I've made a video with a couple Chanel bags, but nothing too crazy. So let's check these bad boys out. Comes in the little plastic container, keeping it nice and safe. And then you get this little Chanel embroidered dust cloth. Oh, these are sweet. So these are going to be tortoise with some gold accents. And these are the C74573S. Says Chanel made in Italy on the other side. These do have some very good weight to it, do feel very heavy. Has a little Chanel built in to the lens on the top left. Actually, that's going to be on both sides. The outsides of both lenses have a little Chanel, kind of like how the Ray-Ban has the RB. That's kind of like how Chanel has this. They do look a little narrow, but they are kind of a tighter, smaller frame glass. And what are we thinking here? What are we thinking? These are definitely not going to be for me, but I feel like Bad Bunny right now for sure. Very cool. So, Chanel frames. They got them. If you don't want Chanel, they got them too. Every single type of sunglass, just about. Prada, Louis Vuitton. Let's see how these fit in there. Nope, not like that. Maybe they just go face down. Okay, cool. So I guess to put them back, you just put them face down in there, and ta-da. Once again, with the packaging, you can see here, everything is gonna be fine on that long, what is it, like 2,000, 3,000 miles over there? Quite the track. But I've honestly never really had, even a box that was crushed was never punctured. I've gotten plenty of boxes from DHgate and the box was crushed, but then I open it and all the stuff was totally fine. So don't have a worry there. And let's wrap it up with our last item of the day, which is gonna be one more aloe product. Getting the gym and fitness on. I will get some more, you know, just kind of regular clothes. If you want to check out regular clothes, I got tons of videos on this page that you can go back and watch. And for the most part, not much has changed other than maybe some small designs, but all the pipeline to get all the stuff, to save all the cash, it's all still there. There was for a little bit of a worry, like with all the tariffs and stuff on the shipping, that we were going to run into these exponentially higher costs for shipping, but I haven't seen any of that. And if I do see that, I'm going to let you guys know. But for as of right now, all is good. Don't get scared away from saving your money. Don't let them talk you out of saving your money, because that's what they're going to try to do. This is a more tighter fit aloe top. It is a quarter zip, and it's in kind of like a, almost like it's a darker teal. It's not quite gray, but it's not really blue. I guess you could go with a gray. Has these 3M reflective pieces on there, so if you wanted to wear this while you're walking the dog, going for a little hike, walking around at night, gonna be perfect. Also has 3M on the back, and it kind of has this sewn seam to where it's kind of gonna cinch, you know, push the chest out there, get a little, you know, that's kind of how this one's gonna make you look. Like those mannequins at Academy that they always put those X-small skin tight Nike shirts on. That's probably what you're gonna look like wearing this bad boy. So can't wait to put that on. And I think we've cleared the box out, boys and girls. So we're gonna wrap this video up. Like I said, make sure you're reaching out to me, whether it be Discord, whether it be Instagram. I want to help you guys. I want to help you look the way that you look. But also just having stuff that's a little bit more unique kind of makes you just feel a certain type of way. You don't look like everyone else. Nowadays, it's like I go out and I can almost tell like what your profession is based off what you have on, because everyone's become these clones of each other. And that's another thing, like you don't have to just fit inside of one box. There's nothing wrong with wanting to dip your toes around a little bit and then find what you like. You like this for a little bit, okay, but it's not like you haven't explored this. So if you wanted to switch back over here or get a little bit more balanced with two, you can totally do that. Most people work a lot, so they have all these clothes in their closet and they don't ever wear them because they just have like this steady cycle of work clothes and then chill clothes they wear at the house. But if that is you, that's totally fine. And you can always get some nice things to have and do it saving some money. So yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today. And I'll be back soon when I got some more stuff for you.